Alright, guys. So today, what are we going to do? We are going to record the experience that we have with VS Code after so long. It's been minimum 2 to 3 years since I've used it properly. Thanks to you don't know me on Twitch. This guy. Oh, sorry. What did I do? I whispered you. Oh, sorry. This guy has recently shifted from neovim to VS Code for several valid reasons. And Varu gave it a try, and Venom has been on Visual Studio for so long. So, I mean, people have been using Deva. I don't know about Devashish. How long have you been using VS Code? But we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna see different extensions. And I don't want VS Code to be as close as neovim because all this time neovim has been trying to get it as close as VS Code, right? So I don't want to do it reverse, but I just want to see how hostile do I feel, and does it really give me all the benefits I would need from a text editor slash ID, depending on how you define it. Okay. So right now, just for some context, okay, what is it? Okay, just override for me. I did get stash after this, that's why. So let's see how this goes. FYI, I'm on drink water. Okay, thank you. I use it. I like Copilot integration. It's smooth. You okay? Then we have most of the people who use VS Code is a daily driver or daily editor. Let's see how this goes, right? So I'll give you some context, right? I do press space, and whenever you guys see this, this is because of um, just like whatever they've shared with me on Discord, on our Discord, and we have an active Discord channel. Please do join if you would like to. Background में गिटार अच्छा लग रहा है. That you played, by the way, मोहित. मुझे आता नहीं बजाना, and you should come to Bangalore and teach me again. But anyway, so this is what are we going to go through. This is which key that we have installed. So for those who are coming from neovim, it's something that gives us a lot of control. So I love it. I don't know what else is there. Like I've just copied over the configuration. So we will go through it one by one. Right now, let me explain to you what I want from a text editor and what do I want from an IDE. Okay, I'm keeping them separate. I'm not defining what is an IDE for the sake of letting people have their opinions. Okay. Um, to me, what I'm looking from a text editor is, first thing, it should be fast. Okay. Definition of fast is where I don't, even if I'm in a file that is more than 1,000 lines of code, I should have a way to configure to make it fast. Okay. I know by definition, first of all, you should never have a file that is 25,000 lines of code if you are doing proper development, if you have some, if you are writing in 21st generation or 22nd generation, whatever it is, right? I should have a way to disable things to make it fast enough. It should be quick. Other than this, what I look forward to is not using mouse a lot. I don't like using mouse because it's just a context switch between keyboard and mouse, right? That is there. The third thing is should look nice, or I should have a way to make it look nice, right? So I should have way to configure color themes based on my liking and disliking, whatever, right? So I should be able to do all of this. Okay. Third thing, of course, is LSP. Now I'm coming to technical details. Sorry about that. It was not based on priority, which I like and all. First thing that comes in my mind is about that. Okay. LSP should work without me trying to configure the path, without me trying to understand what kind of features do I want from LSP. The basic LSP should just work. Just work. Okay. That's what I'm looking for. Right. So that is there. I'm not come to the point where I'm saying that neovim doesn't have it and VS Code has it, or vice versa. So please don't judge me yet. Okay. Feel free to judge me if you want to, though. I'm just suggesting that don't judge me right away. What else is there? Probably syntax highlighting and all is okay. That's very basic parts. I'm pretty sure that all core writers have got it covered. Ways to search for files, ways to search for text, good way, like, just some way that makes sense. For example, if I'm searching for CMD here, this one is probably not very much readable, but I think there's a way to just search for new search editor you can open, and then I can search for something in VS Code, and something like this is something like which makes sense for me as well. Like, okay, you can have a separate editor, you can click on things and open the file, and you can have this whole search command bar. These things are also nice. Like, okay, you can click on this and see what's going on Okay, this is click to show 23 definitions, and then I can go here and see 23 definitions as well. I don't know what's happening, but okay. This is nice. This shows me all the definitions of it. It's nice. Like, I like it that way. Um, Diagnostics LSP comes along with that, so I'm not saying it here. What about debugging? I think that comes to the part where I say that okay, it's an IDE now. Again, that's per my understanding, that debugging is something that I'm not looked forward to. But okay, like, let me finish the code editor part. Of course, this replacing thing and all should have the configuration ready. Like, I should be able to install extensions and all, like make it configurable and all. That should be there. So that's something I look forward to as well. Okay. Other than this, men- someone should be maintaining it. Like, it should not be dead. If something is archived, I personally just don't like it. um, I just feel very unsafe if something is not being maintained actively, if something is not being funded actively. I just think about it, because when time is gonna come when they are gonna prioritize family over it, and I hope they do. But what about people who use it, right? Someone is gonna take over. Yes, I understand, but I don't want to be in that zone. I'm very insecure person in that way. You can say it. It's my fault. Yeah. What else is there? Okay, I think mostly we got it covered. If we don't, we will discuss this as we go along. I hope other people don't review this video at all. Other than this, of course, in terms of ID, yes, we talked about debuggers for modern stuff is VS Code first. Just saying, is made for VS Code first. Yep, I'm gonna come to that. Okay, so yes, debugging is something I would love for an IDE to have. I don't use any debugger as such, but now since I'm here, I would love to use it. If it makes anything easier, like, why not, right? Anything that makes my work easier is what I'm looking forward to do. Okay, if I'm achieving something by a single keystroke compared to spending 2 hours of configuration every 2 months of releases, and then I'm getting it done, it's not worth my time. Maybe it's worth time for others, but it's not worth my time. Okay, so that's it. With in terms of ID, as we already talked about, the thing with VS Code is okay. Now we can go to neovim versus VS Code versus emacs and all. Okay, let me just give this a thing that why do I still appreciate VS Code, and I never believed in seeing that VS Code this way. Are thank you so much, Varu, for gifting 5 subscribers. I didn't know that this will ever happen. Um, Thank you so much. I don't know how you should react, but thank you so much. Really means a lot. Gabu, Soul, 3 Vans, Sip Coffee, you don't know me. Oh, they've got that is great. And this, oh, congratulations everyone for the subscribers. Varu, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Yeah. Um, Means a lot, and thank you so much. As I said, it just kind of keeps you going. Um, when you're here in Bangalore, we can have another cup of tea and make sure that um, we talk more. But it's not for giving subscribers. I'm just thankful for it. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Next thing is I'll talk to you about it, right? So previously I've attempted creating an LSP client of my own. Like, I've tried understanding how it works. What happened there? You have this nice 1 month subscriber thing on your name. Congratulations. Well done. It feels good, guys. Ye kya hai subs? So subs is like, I mean, you get a few things to do, like, I don't know, emojis and all that. Everyone gets to live ad free now. Oh, okay. Can I redeem it for Amazon gift cards? I mean, you will not get, but you can use your Amazon Prime subscription to gift, if I'm not wrong. You didn't get anything, Dave, except that I don't think you will get ads, which is probably what Varu gifted. So thank you so much. No, that's not available in India. Okay. Oh, I didn't know. Kush can use it on Amazon. Yeah, I don't know how to even redeem, but maybe one day we will. I'll figure it out. But like, the whole point is, it feels good that your channel has these many followers and subscribers. So thank you so much. Um, all right. Okay. Quickly going to the point. So when I was developing my own LSP client, right, what was happening is that I realized VS Code has its own LSP protocol. Okay. Back to the point. Yeah. Thank you so much again, Baru. Really appreciate it, right? So this is the official page for LSP protocol, right? So language server protocol. And this is something that I believe that Microsoft came up with. I don't know how much of it and all, but at least So many things have been inspired by how this works. Okay. And see, for something that comes from Microsoft or GitHub, whatever, okay, I am very sure that they're gonna continue maintaining it, right? So if the source is VS Code itself or GitHub itself, whatever, then the product they make, it's always going to be more polished than what others are going to use. And there are high chances, and maybe not always, but there are high chances, right? So that's what happens. So I would definitely say that VS Code has an edge over it. Okay. For example, with bindings like Vim, key mappings and all, VS Code has inspired itself from Vim and probably Emacs to have, like, of course, Vim for these Vim key mapping. And if you see that almost every other editor or IDE, whatever you want to call it, they have this option to have Vim key mappings, right? So it is there. You guys understand what's going on? So Vim had an edge over it, right? Because people are coming from Vim, that's why they're using Vim key mapping, or they've heard about it and that's why they're using it. So yes, it's there, right? So I would give Vim an edge over it. Okay, sure, right? So yep, in that case, yes, I do feel that VS Code has it. Similarly with ChatGPT and all, right? So when Copilot came up, we had to spend so much time setting Copilot up on new, like in neovim, and there were so many people who were complaining about the UI about it, like key mapping about it, and sometimes it wouldn't log in itself and all. I had so many issues with Copilot, right? And I know that people have tried to maintain it, but the first priority still remains VS Code, right? And given how, like, the velocity of how Copilot works and all, I wouldn't say that Copilot is shit. I think it's very useful, right? And I trust that it will come first to VS Code and then it will be moved to the rest of the world, right? And at least the main, like, the whole user base is starting with VS Code for Copilot, right? And that's how they're going to prioritize themselves as well. So that's it. That's one of the edges that VS Code has, and it's worth giving a try how it is right now and all of that. So let me open Emacs as well for you. So this is how it looks like right now. Let me go to documents, projects, source code, Hyperlink. And actually, let me talk about quickly why why would I like, you received a level 1 hype train emote. Okay. Okay. Share. Okay. What it is. All right. Okay. Whatever. So this is Emacs, and the top of it is VS Code with some configuration, and Emacs is also with a lot of configuration. So I will give it that. Right. So as you can see, I have a lot of tabs. they, it's okay. These are emotes are being delivered, so you can use some different emojis when the train is going on and all. It's just, it is what it is. We'll explore Twitch later on, but for now, just let's enjoy. So over here we have many tabs, so that's the difference over here. Okay, then there are tabs. Okay, um, we have line numbers. I think we used to have line numbers. I don't know what happened. What happened here? Why are there no line numbers? Did I enter? Oh, this is Zen mode. Sorry. What happened here? Okay, there you go. Okay, what am I doing here? Okay, what is this? Focus on the video. Yeah. What? Okay, okay. No line numbers for your question. Are cool. So we do have line numbers finally. I don't know what happened, but anyways, line number is there. You have this option to do this. I'm pretty sure in neovim you have that option. You can use mouse in Emacs as well. I've disabled it for now, I guess. Everything else looks the same. You have bottom menu like this. I have this clickable, so I can go, I can change things and all. You cannot do it here, but you have all text that you can change things, and I'm pretty sure that over here you can change things as well by pressing Ctrl Shift P, right? So I mean, it does match after a lot of configuration in VS Code. Let me repeat: yes, we have configured, and yes, we have configured Emacs as well. Okay. Emacs has its own GUI as well, and so does VS Code. VS Code cannot operate on a terminal. Emacs can. Okay, so that's the difference. All right. In terms of, I don't want to go this way. I don't care about how much memory does it take, but let's see. With OBS, Hyperlink, Firefox, Waybar, where is Emacs? Emacs is here. Okay, it was here. Now it went. So let's use something over here. I don't know. We can type. So I do think that Emacs over here, as you can see, it is taking 9% CPU, right? And over here, if I search for, okay, okay, sorry, I'm searching for what code? Okay, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Okay, let me just quickly install htop. But I think it's equivalent. If not, I think Emacs still takes Doom Emacs still takes more memory, and there have been a lot of complaints about it using more memory than expected. But it's okay. There we go. There we go. Where is it? VS Code. Why can I not see VS Code over here? Search code. Visual. I think it was code only, right? Should be searching for code. It's a lot of from Doom loads up a lot of plugins, right? Compared to, yeah, it does. Doom does load a lot of like plugins for you and all of that, so it does use a lot of memory. I think this is where it is, where you are Electron, because I'm pretty sure VS Code is on Electron, and probably if you combine all of them, it should not be more than 9% for sure. Otherwise, it would have been on top. If not, it's okay. I just wanted to show. Maybe we can go to this. We can go to this later on. Kill all code. No. Um, cool. Looks okay so far. Let's experience whatever we. Okay, let's exit over here. And this is the terminal we have. We also have it an icon. What happened to moving? Okay, so there's this thing you can move with terminal, and you can move, you cannot move away from terminal, right? I need to set this up, but if you are coding and if you want to go to the terminal, you can do Control WJ in the new key mappings and all. But if you want to go from terminal to the code editor, I don't know if there's a way, but you can toggle like whatever shortcut you have. There's one thing I want to confirm with this guy. Dave, are you here? I had one doubt. If I press space, I want to search about something. Like if I press, if I want to search, it will take me to the subsection of it. How do I do this? Oh, no problems have been detected. Okay. So let's get the problem over here. Why does it not show a problem yet? I think the LSP is not enabled. We were just talking about it being. Okay. I don't want to do this here. Any opinions on this? Why is it not showing me an error? When I, do I need to install an extension? What was the menu bar? What is show? Okay. Show problem, show remote explorer. Okay. I want to show extensions. Yep. Okay, now let's search for there might be no error. I mean, there's no semicolon here. So I do expect it to have, but I think I don't have all the extensions in. Which is, I mean, I don't want to install it separately. I do have ClangD. Why is it not showing any errors here? C++. Okay. Array. How do I do this now? I don't want to do this. Okay, yeah. I mean, we can do a quick GD. GD doesn't work to string as well. So I'm not sure if it's actually working. Set environment is also not working. And if I go to IOStream and I click on, I do GD, it doesn't work. So, yep, it's not working. And, but this is working. Let's see. Let's try to import, or let's try to use unordered map. And let's have unordered map here. Right. Let's see. Does it fail? No, it doesn't, right? No diagnostics. Okay. Hmm. It's probably because of CMake, is it? Okay, I do want to do this. This was the okay. What happened? Hmm. All right. Do we? Let's try to just launch a plain. Yep. Let's see if it works. For context, the starting time is at least more than how I would expect, which is okay. But I'm just saying, I'm just being transparent about it. How do I create a new file here? I can just create check.cpp, right? Yeah, and then I can have iostream here. Are okay, I can save this as check.cpp. No, I think it's about, yeah, definitely it has to do with, let's see, show hover doesn't work. Previous problem rename symbol. Okay, let's see. Let's search for C++. I mean, we don't have enough extensions enabled as well. It does make sense. Do I need to install this? I like these extension packs though. So let's just install this, all the tools and all that comes along with it. So it has CMake. It had CMake format, better C++ extension and all. So let's just see code. Yeah, that's debugger that we have for VSCode. See our C++ pack. Now we have. Okay. We can go and do this and let's see. Yeah, we do have it. Okay. Yeah, my food is coming. Yep. Okay. This is here. Okay. Not bad. Now what I want to see, if I don't have something imported, if I do this, yes, it does import. Okay. That is good. So there's auto import on that I like. Okay. No issues with that. Let's try to use it as well. Now, see, there's a problem. So far I have, uh, and I want to figure this out if we can do this. So when I hover over it, it's going to give me the error and I can copy and paste it here, right? I can do that. But in neovim, so you should be able to, how can I just go without using a mouse? So I think there was a problem. I mean, there was a way to do this. Yes, I know. What are you talking about? Document diagnostics. Okay, right. So I can go here. I can do this. Okay, unknown type. This is going to show me the problem that I have, right? So can I do right click and copy? And this gives me the whole related information and all there. So can we define our own plugin that I'm okay in defining an own plugin. I just want to know that can I open this in another buffer, right? Like copying, yeah. Right, right. Because like you want to be like over here you can do right copy, which is something it's okay. Like wait a minute. So let me show you. So I'm here. There's an error. So I can do how do I close this first of all? Show problem, right? Okay, how do I exit this? Okay, fine. For now, this is fine. We have to figure a way to toggle this. Okay, this is Alt F8. Alt F8, which one is? Okay, I'm not going to use with Alt F8. Let's just say M. I'm going to say P. That's going to show me the problem. Okay, I'm here. I can hover over these. I mean, I can go and do this, and I can do Control C and I can do Control P. Okay, I think that works. I can do Control C over here and I can do this. This is different. Yeah. So it does work. And then if I want to go back, I can do Control WJ. Can I do that? Yeah, I can do that. There you go. Yeah, I can do Control W and keep on doing this. So that's okay. And when I'm here, how do I close this now, right? So how do I exit? So what's the hide panel way? So that's one thing we have to figure out. Hide panel is one thing I would like to have a Okay, key binding for. So I guess I will have, oh, control this is there. Oh, sorry, hi Devashish. No, it doesn't work, but okay, let me go here. What was that? Close panel is there, huh? No, it doesn't work. Okay, but that means I can add a key binding here and I can say control this and this. Okay, so let's see if I am here, if I do this control, ta-da, perfect. Is a way for toggle panel. So control shift T is there, right? Okay, so toggle is there, which is good. Not bad at all. But can I have toggle panel visibility? Can I, instead of this, can I have um, this, because this is making more sense to me. And then I have hide panel, should be able to do. Yes, I mean we are able to do. So that's okay. I was just trying to figure out if there's a focus into panel is also there, right? So what is, okay, I don't need, I think this is fine. I'm fine with it. If I do this, okay. Now, okay. Okay, don't save. Right. What I want to do, what was it? Hide panel? No, it was close panel, right? Wait, how do you do this? What was it? Let's do this, right? So when I'm here, I'm doing L and I'm doing, um, what was it? P, right? Why is it not there? Oh, I think I messed up something. Key mappings, JSON. Did I change something? Open user settings, JSON. Over here, LSP is there. Then we have symbol problem, show hover, rename symbol. Show problem is not there. It was there in your code, right? VS Code. When we can. This is something I want to do using VS Code, by the way. I don't want to, like, how can I just switch between files, right? Okay, why am I here? Okay, searching. Array, what's going on? Okay, when I hit slash, it's taking me there. Okay. But I do want to search. Fine. Let's just open as a VS Code instance. Let's go to key bindings. No, here settings are JSON, right? And I want to search for, what was it? LSP, right? Show problem. Okay, let's just search for problem. Next problem is there. Previous problem. It was there, right? Where did it go? There was a key binding for problem, right? Go to problem, go to focus over, alt F8. Go to next problem is not what I wanted. Might have changed. Yes, but this is the file that you, this is like, if you see, I'm actually in VS Code, the one that you gave it to me. Can you check in your settings.json? Did you have show problem? Yeah, there you go, right? Okay, I don't know where was it. So I can just add it here and I can quit this one. Okay. Yeah, I think I can quit. So, okay. Show problem is, it's here. Workbench.actions.view.problems. It's there, but it's not related to LSP, is it? So this is shift S. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay, I don't mind for now, but I would ideally change it to LSP one because it's, there you go, right? So we are able to do this, and when I do this, I want it to be toggled. So close, focus into panel. Okay, so we have solved it. It's also the same file VS Code edits on its own. Oh, okay. Let's go and show output. Output is nothing. Why? What did happen here? I think this is also key map that we want to understand how it's going on. Is there a split? Okay, control W. Do you have any? What was happening here? What's going on here? Control WK should just be moving files around. Okay, what's going on here? That's what I want to understand. I think it's taking the. Okay, first of all, I think this can be closed. All right, so what's going on here? One second, guys. Okay, so we have this here, split horizontal and all. That's okay, but if I do this, why is it shifting the whole configuration? Any idea? So I have this here. Okay, first of all, that was panel, right? So let me figure out toggle panel visibility, toggle maximize panel set. Okay, panel alignment to left, right. Okay, I want to change. This is toggle, right? Do I have panel here? Launch control panel. Why does it not show? What was the command, guys, that we were using? Hmm. Oh yeah, there you go, right? We can see it here. Hide panel, right? Hide panel. Yeah, there you go, right? I need to. Why was it not showing it then? Now I was trying to find the. How do I delete? Remove key binding, right? That's it. Yeah. No, I was trying to like say that okay, I want to do this, and this is now working. But another problem is when I move here. Okay, I'm here, guys. Now I want to move up. Okay, so I do Control W J, and I'm here. Okay, it's working now, but it was changing a few things here and there. Cool. I think it's fine for now. Let me see. Let me just try once more. I can do this. Cool. It's fine now. Okay. Now what I want to do is I want to be able to. Yeah. This is what I was saying. When I want to Control W J, Control W K. For some reason it's splitting the windows. I don't understand why this is happening. Any idea? See Control W. I just want Control W J, Control W K. Maybe it's because. Oh, so because if you do Control W K and all. Wait, let me show you. So if I open another file, let's say unordered map.h, okay? So when I do Control W, Control L, no, what are you saying? So you over here you see what is going on, right? Try Control plus JK. No, that doesn't work. See, over here, this Control H takes me there. That's true. But Control J, okay, this is fine. But about what about Control K? Control K doesn't take me there, right? Control J takes me there, but Control K is not there. Ah, so you remapped it there. Okay, I think I'm slightly inclined towards not doing it that way. Where was it? Control W? Split. No, this is not the one, right? Key bindings J. Move. I think you might have move editor left. Yeah, this one, right? So you have J, K, L. I would like to have with. This is W. Okay, this is which key? This is separate. I think I should go with key mappings. I don't think I have. No, I don't remember if I had shifted the neovim key bindings.json. Okay, let's take a look, guys. Let's go to config, code OSS user, code settings.vim is there. So let's just open this folder and see. Okay, I do want to trust. Yes. Um, I want to go to settings.vim. Control W over here, right? You can use Control X to close buffer. Yeah, so like what's happening with me is I'll show you. So with control W, where's control WJ? You don't have it here. I think this is fine. This is the one, right? No better navigation. Okay, can I have this here? So what is going on? Control J, navigate down. Yeah, I. So control K doesn't work, right? Okay, control K does work. Okay, okay, control K is working. That's good. So I should just not use control WJ because when I do control WK here, it's not working. But if I do control K, it works. Okay, okay. I'm just trying to get used to it then. Control H, control L will work that way. So let's say if I split, I can do this. Okay, this works. Let's say if I split, control W, control K works. Okay. All right, this makes sense. And if I can do this, if I can do this, I can do this as well. Good, good. And let's say now I want to get the problem. I got the, okay, no, this is for extensions, right? So how do I get rid of this now? Okay, now the point is how do I move from extensions to the editor? Oh, control L. Nice. Okay, not bad. Not control. Are I am used to defaults, buddy. You think I'm insane? It's not bad. I'm insane. All right, so what do we have now? Next thing I want to have is sorry guys. ओ आज मौसम बड़ा. Okay, yeah, there you go, right? So I want to be able to not do this. Can I do Control K now? No, Control K doesn't work here, right? So it's now waiting for. Okay, sorry. Chill, chill. I'm not singing. But now it says over here, Control K was pressed, waiting for second key of chord. Okay, which I don't have any. So if I'm searching for it, I don't have a way to go back. Too much to expect, maybe. But is there a way? Escape doesn't work. Control. Okay, I can just do this. I can toggle. That's okay. But let's say if I want to move around, I cannot. And if I want to share the error, I can. But can I do Control Shift C? What does Control Shift C do? There's no way to copy message as well, right? I understand. I understand. I'm just trying. See, it's not about neovim experience, right? I'm just trying to find out. It is neovim experience. I'm sorry, but I'm trying to find a way to make it better for myself. Oh, you mean that? Yeah, you should be able to do it yourself, huh? Like for example, like if let's say if I want to have action items, right? Okay, first of all, like how do I search for it? How do I search for it? Like there's if I do this, now I want to search for the sim. Like if I do A, it doesn't work, right? It says it's undefined. So what's the way to do this? Huh? Any idea? Okay, by the way, I can get rid of this. How do I disable? Okay, what I'm saying is that when I'm hitting the which key sim like leader, there's a way to type here, right? I can search. So it's like search key bindings, right? How do I get to that? I need to control F? No. I need to search. When I do S, it takes me there. So I want to G. There you have. Do I have diff? And you see what it does. I have not entered anything, but just when I leave, it's gonna hit enter for you. ये सब कॉन्फ़िगर नहीं है मालिक. हो जाएगा, करते हैं then. Let's try to configure which key. So you have this. How do you have control J mapped here? So key is this. This is commands. Show commands. This is different, right? Now here I can search. Oh, So just when I'm leaving Control J, it's actually hitting that. Now see what I'm doing. So I'm doing Control J down, down, down. When I just leave, it's gonna hit the, like it's gonna take you there. So I think this workbench.action. Okay, this is buffers, right? This is for buffers. This is different. So I do think that somewhere, oh, I think it's again coming from settings.vim, right? Hmm. Okay, let's just go there again. Or no, let's go to this thing. Let's do code dot and do. Is this coming from which key though? Because it's not like when I do Control Shift P and when I leave, it's actually taking me there. So it's not just which key. I'm pretty sure it's actually VS Code neovim. So Control J, it's going to take you to navigate down. And why do you have two times? Oh, this is silent X. No, okay, this is normal mode and all. Navigate down, workbench.action, navigate down, navigate up, navigate left, navigate right. Toggle editor widths. Okay, this is Control W. This which key dot show space. This is okay. Control W N is what, by the way? VS Code new. Oh, so with this, remove the CR maybe. Oh, there's a CR there. Yep, could be the reason. Let's try just for um this. Let's see. For some reason, by the way, I don't know. I was trying a different. Okay, still there. Call VS Code notify. Navigate down, navigate up. I've removed CR from there. Let's see what does it do, right? VS Code navigate. Mm, like let me just try. Okay, I'm leaving this. Yeah, it's taking me there. Maybe yes. I do get it. Mm, better navigation. Let's just comment this out, right? And let's just see. Okay, wait a minute. Is it happening with J as well, or arrow keys as well? No, right? So with so whatever the arrow keys do, we should just be able to map it, right? So maybe they have figured out the wrong key mapping for it. So let's go to key bindings, right? And let's search for arrow, right? One minute, guys. The Swiggy guy is calling me. Hello. All right, you guys can hear me now, right? Wait, let me check. Yeah, you guys can hear me. Okay. Hello, Bangalore Police Station. Um, okay. So what do we have? Control J. Okay, we have this. Arrow right, arrow left. What is this? This doesn't look like key mapping to me. Arrow. Okay, navigate. Let's look at navigate, right? No, this is not. You know what we can do is navigate and I can go here. Okay, and then I can search for yeah, there you go, right? So this is what you have. Control W down. So when you do this, what it does, oh, so it's coming from VS Code. Array, go here for once. This is when, okay, I don't want this. I want to search for, let's say, does it show me like this? Okay, let's say navigate. Array, let's say arrow. Yeah, there you go, right? Up arrow, send key in command line neovim.init. Up arrow, send key to neovim, syncing if in insert mode. Oh, open ChatGPT or Claude, please. Okay, sorry. I don't think so that ChatGPT will be able to help with VS Code neovim. In VS Code neovim, whenever I hit Control plus J, which is workbench.action.navigate. He knows. Okay. Down ChatGPT. Arey yaar. Let's see. It also hits enter, sends the return key. How to fix this, guys? 1 second, I got my order, so let me go and fetch it. Meanwhile, you guys check it out. What does it say? All right. Yep, I'm back. Is it possible to make text more visible? Yes, should be. Uh, okay, they are saying press Control K, Control S. We are here. Search for the existing binding. Control J. Okay, this is like. Are, are, are. Let's do it again. Control J. So this is what it's showing, right? So in the search bar, this will show up. Okay, look for the action list. If it also shows an enter key for return, you need to remove. Click the pencil icon. Okay. Editor text focus. So it's like in quick open. This is source user. Control J, navigate next in quick open. Send key in command line. Control J. neovim.init. Search violet possible visible. Okay. How do I, guys? I don't know how to make this transparency. I have not set it up myself. I think it's hyperlink, right? Hyperlink set transparency. It's window rule, right? So I can go to hyper opacity window rule ev2. What is this? Code insiders, code url handler. Okay, this is code, right? So I can have 1.0 for all of them, which means what? Is it better? No, it's not, right? mm, I found it. Okay, by the way, we have fixed this meanwhile. So this is okay. This is better for you guys. Yeah. And okay, it's in key bindings. Okay, let me search for it. Key bindings.json, right? So where was it? There you go, right? Key bindings.json. Oh, there you go. There you have Control J. List focused on. Explore violet visible. File explorer focus. So selection means hitting enter. Yeah, there you go, right? So select next suggestion. Yeah, this is select, right? So can I just, instead of doing this, personally, I just want list dot focus down, right? So I mean, I can just copy over whatever I had with this, or actually, you know what, I can just get used to it, but no, I cannot, right? Yeah, that this makes sense. Okay, I can comment this out because just this is very personal, no particular reason. Why are you failing? Okay, don't want comments. Forgot. Control K command. This should also go back to what it was. Okay, and these should be related. Okay, and then you have Control H and no, of course not, right? Cool. So now if I do this, okay, still there. Why? Control J. Open navigate. Okay, this also needs to go, right? Are hi Frog Fennec. So long. After so long, how have you been? Thank you so much for joining. It's been pretty long, I know. Um, thank you for coming. Good to have you here. Let me. I was just trying to. We are just trying to figure out things. So over here in quick open, this was a. Are you taking question? Please go ahead. Don't hesitate in asking any questions. I would love to. List focus in quick open. Explorer. Do I want list focus? Can I just copy over the things that we had here? Will it make any sense? Or can I just say, instead of action this, okay, I can get rid of this and I can just say with Control J, let's not focus down. right? Okay. Okay, this is not list, but so when you do Control Shift P, that's not the list for you. So you want to look for quick open. You can have navigate next. Oh yeah, there you go, right? Okay, so when you do this, it should work that way. I will check again. But why do you not have Control K for that? Or did I disable? Okay. Mm, mm, this is Control K, and this is navigate up in quick open. Yeah. Okay. So when you do this, Control K works, but Control J is not working for some reason. Why is it? Oh, by the way, was Control K working? No, it's not working. So do I need to restart or something? Let's see. Okay, Control Shift N maybe. Let's see. Nope, it's not working. No. Okay, let's try this again. Let's try fixing this. I'm interning at a big tech company right now as a backend engineer. Congratulations. I'm kind of looking at other options after realizing this might not be what I want to do. How did I stumble upon systems programming? I want to try, but I feel like it would be something that would take me too long to get into. I couldn't even think of what to make that's interesting, wouldn't be way out of scope. I couldn't even think of what to make that's interesting and wouldn't be way out of scope skill wise. Okay, so you want to do something that, so you were not able to think about something that is not out of your skill scope and also that is very interesting. And very big tech you. Frog, where are you from? I forgot. Are you in India or are you somewhere outside India? Just trying to get some background about you before I answer. Yeah, you are from the US, right? So yes, sorry, I forgot. And which year of your university are you in or college? What do you want to call it? Which year is it? Is it your third year, final year? How much time do you have before you graduate? Oh, I'm in hyper. Going to third year. Okay. So you do have some time. So 2 years. Okay. So you do have 2 years. All right. See, first of all, congratulations on getting an internship at a big tech company, wherever it is. At least you have an internship. That's good. Um, I never see personally. I always visualize a lot. So whenever I'm working on something, I do imagine myself doing X, Y, Z, and then trying to figure out, okay, is it something that excites me a lot? So that's something that I do. I visualize. Okay, so I've always visualized myself very close to how browsers work, how terminals work, how like everything in backend, how is it working? And that's not really backend engineering, we all know. So my interest was always like how do systems work, right? And not just systems. It was about whenever I will load an image using OpenCV, computer vision, I would like to go into the detail and try to understand. That's not necessarily systems programming, but I knew that okay, this is where I want to be. If not in my day job, I want to do this outside of my day job as well. Okay, so that's somewhere I kind of had an experience. And whenever you go in like in the corporate world, you do realize that okay, you talk to your teammates, you talk to the team members or other team members as well, and then you ask them like, hey, what do you do? Why do you like what are you doing? Like why are you using Rust? Oh, then they tell you that okay, we are doing this for systems programming, and then you ask them, okay, can I get to know whatever coding you're doing? Can I see your projects? And then you try to understand, okay, how are they doing it? Then you understand, okay, this is what I want to do. Okay, I mean, sorry, TK means okay. So you'll never be sure about it. Like I was developing PyTorch for so long as a contributor, then I realized, okay, developing PyTorch is not really the job I want to do, given the market, whatever they're requiring. It will take me to a very narrow down market where not a lot of people are hiring, like people fall with that tech. So I kind of had to realize that not everything that you like necessarily has to be about your job necessarily, right? So I understood something, okay, it's time for me to do backend and as well. If you want to give it a try, I believe that is really GitHub project based learning. I never stumbled upon it myself. I mean, I never tried to do something myself, and the reason is because I always had projects in mind. But first of all, you have a lot of time in your hand. You have 2 years. Secondly, if you want to do something, you pick up any language that you're comfortable in. comfortable with in whatever, right? Then try to understand, okay, can I build a project? If you want to do systems programming, try to imagine yourself like, personally, I want to inject a code in the USB driver. So then I need to understand how does a USB driver work. That excites me a lot. It's possible it doesn't excite you, but it's worth knowing as well. So you are very early in the career, try to be as much flexible as you can. Don't try to say that, okay, I'm only going to do C or C++, I'm never going to touch Rust. No, I'm going to do this. Be flexible. You find something interesting, you go ahead and do it. You see, that's why people hire freshers. Why? Because they're very flexible. You ask them to do something, they'll do it. If you're already like, um, if you're already like someone who is like 30 years old, no, I'm not going to do this, I'm not going to touch it, those are kind of people who are actually a headache to a company, right? So if you think you are like you're already in a big tech company, try look around, see. Big tech companies have some advantage. Why? Because they're building on scale. They have a lot of teams that you can interact with. There's a culture that you can follow. There are a lot of documentation on things, and big tech has built things that we use daily. Right? Let's not forget that Microsoft bought GitHub, but Microsoft has built Windows. So you can actually go and talk to the Windows team and say that, hey, what do you do in systems programming? Let's say if I want to be hired as a systems programmer, what are you looking for? Like, go and look out for help. Right? Like, for example, VSCode has Copilot integration. Look what is different to what other people are doing with open source stuff, right? So take that as an opportunity. Build some things that I already linked you with. Pick up anything, write a hash table and see. Don't listen to anyone. Pick this up and complete it, okay? That's the very important part. We pick this up and then you realize, no, is it going to be really useful? If you don't have a mentor, you can join our Discord. You can talk to people. We are already like I'm 4 to 5 years down in the career, so right, so you will always have chances to do these things and or talk to people on Discord if you want any opinion. I'm pretty sure you'll have enough opinions in the US as well, but if you're looking for, you can join on Discord as well. But pick something up, close it. Not everything is going to be very interesting in systems programming. It sounds very boring to people when you build it, but when you realize it's built, you're gonna love it as well. So yeah. And I would say that if you are not liking backend for a longer term, at least stay. Okay, be smart enough. Market is very bad right now. Don't quit. Don't say that I'm not going to do backend. Enjoy the salary. And as long as it works, meanwhile, you do systems programming and then make a switch. Okay. Prioritize money and yourself as well. It's not just about doing what you like, it's about survival as well right now. Right now, no, it should be always. Thank you. Perfect. I hope it helped. I'm sorry if it didn't. People are complaining about being in big tech. I think people will always complain about being in big tech, not being in big tech. My personal opinion is no company is good. What kind of backend do you do? Backend is also about writing performance systems. Yep, yep. Like sometimes you have API calls being called. You're like optimizing it. You're having a batch call implemented and all of that. That's there. All right, guys. I think I have around 5 to 10 minutes as well. Was it's not just oh wow. Yeah. Okay. Where were we? Why was it not fixed? And yes, I saw your comment on Dave that it already. I haven't set up Copilot. I haven't bought it yet. I need to. But where were we? Okay. 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 I need to quickly open this. Mm-mm. Code OSS. And then let's go code dot. No, user. I need to find a way to navigate between projects. Quick open select. Why? But that's also selecting, right? Control J. I want to navigate. I don't want to. Okay, but if you quick open select, I don't want to do that. Quick open select next. Okay. And this should be select previous. Probably I should look at the documentation of it. No, it works. Try. Okay. Cool. Ah, weird world. Okay, no. Control K didn't work. Why? I said Control Shift key, Control J, close workspace. No, I don't want to. Wait, did I try? Control J works in quick open. Okay. Should it be quick open select? It's previous, right? I'll sit down and reconfigure these hotkeys. We might have to. What's going on here? Okay, first of all, let's just try. I don't know, it's a weird thing to try, but let's say, hey, I want to say Control J is previous. Let's just make sure that, yeah. Okay, so it's not the fault. See, with Control J, it's working. With Control K, it's not working. Yeah, there's something wrong with me. I mean, not with me, but the way I've configured this. Yes, there are two control keys. Quick open select previous workbench.action. This is exactly what I want. In quick open is the when. Can you verify, Dave? It's in quick open, right? For you? It's possible that I've very changed it somewhere else. Let me just make sure that I only two. Okay, wait a minute, wait a minute. Are there many? This is list focus up. Okay, let's just say in quick open, how many are there? One, two, three. Yep, there you go, right? So this is one more that we had, and that's why. So we had two of those. My fault. If I do, da. There are many, but only look for quick open. Yep. Perfect, guys. Not bad, not really. I think this makes sense now because I don't mind hitting enter because like sometimes I just want to move around and not do anything, right? Tab will, tab is also working fine. Cool, not bad for a start. The next thing I want to figure out is, of course, as quick as possible, I want to figure out what's the way to manage buffers. Show all buffers. Okay. Yeah, this is fine. And then I can search for something. Um, this is okay. I can type open file. This is okay. Project navigation is something that I want to figure out. I want to have workspaces. Okay, I think I can close this one. Control X. Don't save. Control X. So this can get closed. Alright. Cool. Not bad, guys. Not bad. Really, really good stuff. I think we have made some progress. Okay, and this was. See, this is also their toggle panel. This is good. We will have fun with diagnostics as well. Let's continue doing this. I like this so far. I can have which key is good. Which key is good. I always loved which key for this reason. Chalo. All right. So this means that we can stop now, everyone, and let's continue this in another stream. For now, I think I have to hop up for dinner. Thank you so much for being here, everyone, and really appreciate it. I'm gonna go have dinner. Dave, thank you for being here. Varu, thank you so much for the subscribers as well. Really appreciate it, yeah. Thank you. What's for dinner? I have chili cheese paratha. I wanted to eat something good. I was not in a good mood, so that's why. Tasty, yes. I do like cheese. Frog, Fennec, thank you for being here. Hope I helped. Devashish, thank you for being here as well. And Vanam, thank you for being here for a couple of minutes. Chalo, thank you everyone. Have fun. Take care as well. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye everyone.